Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm with my cousins. My cousin Joachim will be joining. I downloaded a new mod. It's called the Stalker. Very scary. Where's the Stalker? Oh shit, I forgot to add the Stalker. Wait. Okay, I'm done downloading the mods. If you can tell, it's very loud. It's very loud right now. My cousin Joachim is AFK. Say hi, Joachim.
Hi.
Ngayon naman.
Gagawa kami
naman kayo. Sabi mo ito
ng video sa Minecraft.
Oo.
Gagawa kami ng video sa Minecraft. Toys.
Daddy ko.
Ayan.
Bro.
Alam daw. Hindi mo doon. Hindi mo tatabi ng speaker.
Yung.
Yan, kukulat mo. Kapag-sabi ko yun.
73
Yung. Ayoko niyan. I don't need this.
Nakataya.
What the hell? What the heck? What was that?
28.
Kaya di. Nag-record ako ng horror mode.
Diyan ka magaling pag-aaral. Inaayos eh.
Nag-aaral kaya ako ng maayos.
Kaya mo nang gamayan.
Bro, nandito na agad yung horror mode. Yung dinaload ko, nandito na agad ng horror mode.
Pwede siya mag-break at time?
Ewan ko.
Or pwede lang siya maka-break ng glass?
Tignan mo.
Ano siya?
What the hell? Bro, they keep appearing everywhere. Wait lang.
Wala kang chicks spyglass eh.
Oh, hell no. Bro, why do they keep appearing?
Ano yan? Oh my God!
Hoy, kumakain yan.
Download na di. Wala. Bro, why do they keep appearing? I think it. Hell no. This is an crossing the border. We're going to check for the postal. There's for the poor, the shop for the girl next door. Panalo ka? they keep appearing?
Oo, nanalo ko ng apat. Kaya pala bakit may
Ay, di ba na
five
lang?
ata yung tama.
Pwede ko magkano yung
We're gonna go and find some stuff.
Chicken box mo.
There's a brown wool there. What? Bro, I just died. I had to get my items. This is getting harder and harder to play. Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! Stay away from me! Michael Jackson! Run.
Yeah?
I am never getting out of my base after this encounter. Ooh. It's so laggy. What the hell, bro?
Kasi, sabi ko, tanong eh. Ako eh.
Just let me play the game in peace. Let me out of here. I'm not staying here. I'm not staying here. There is no freaking way I'm staying here.
Uy, inuutosan ka
Wait
doon.
lang, mamatay ako. Wait lang, wait lang. Bibilin.
Surprise!
Okay.
Ay, sa Alphamart para mura.
Galing na ako dun eh. Okay.
Bitawan mo na yung cellphone.
Tara.
Ha? Sprite 30 lang. Hindi, yung maliit pala yung...
Who to hear? Oh hell no, I'm ending this video here.